So you probably pressed on this video because you have trouble ranking on eBay.
Yeah, boy.
Well, I'm going to show you 3 easy ways you can rank on eBay. So let's get right into it. So first off, there is 2 different places that you can rank, and I'll show you both of them. Now the first place is if I press at motors, and then I go down here, and I go to wheels, tires, parts, and then I go to tires. This is taking a long time, but it's a good example. And the top one, this is ranking, and this is what I mean ranking, because it is sponsored, but these are selling like that. Now if you go to your home screen and scroll down, then it'll also show you other items, and these are kind of like recommended to you, so I don't know if that's what you would consider ranking, but they are recommended to me down here, which makes it really easy for me to see them and want to buy them. So here's how you can get your items to rank. Alright, so first off, I'm going to be going to the item and I'm going to press revise, or when you're uploading an item, here's what you can do. You look here and you look at the average sold price. So as you can see, it's $95, but I'm selling mine for $69, and I could also look at sold listings of the same exact item recently and see what they're selling for. But I have mine for $69, so obviously someone's gonna want to buy from me, and each time I get a sale, then my item ranks higher and higher, and it's also a great deal, which means that people will see it and they'll want to buy it. Second way that you can rank is getting reviews on your items. So each sale you get, you'll get a review to your account, which will also show on the item page that you've sold it from. So let's say that this item right here, I get 3 sales and all 3 people leave a review. It will not only show the review on the actual listing, but it'll also show it on my account, which will make me rank higher, because the more reviews you have, the higher you rank normally. So if I go here and go to his account, and he has 1,493 5-star reviews, and that's why he's ranking so high. Now this is one of the best ways you can rank higher on eBay, and it's kind of difficult. It will take some time. What you're gonna want to do is search up eBay Seller Hub, and then just go to your Seller Hub on eBay, so it's right here. And then you're gonna press start using Seller Hub, and then now you are on Seller Hub. So if you go to seller dashboard and then you go down, you can see top rated seller. Now this will show when you are selling items like this, and it will show right beside your name. So let's search up something more broad so I can show you, like a TV maybe. So as you can see, it says top rated plus, which is what happens when you become a top rated seller. And as you can see, no one else really has this except for this guy. That's why he gets the most sales out of everyone else compared to everyone else. I'm below standard. That's why my account and my listings are getting less on the recommended page to people. And I actually want a top rated account. If you're a top rated, you're bringing back more buyers to eBay. So therefore, they'll keep recommending you to these buyers. Now the way you can get your account back up, so it says below standard, just press on it. So here, then press on this, and then you gotta go to full report and see what is below standard. So you have all these dots. So I could actually go to the item, and I'm pretty sure I could reverse what I said and say that the buyer did not want the item anymore, because that wouldn't be on my fault, and therefore they wouldn't really blame it on me. So I hope this video helped you guys out, and you will be ranking higher and making more money. And also, if you become a top rated seller, tell me in the comments below, because that is very impressive. See you guys next video.